Hey guys, this is one of my favorite techniques of how to actually get the Kimura from the bottom. Now let's break it down and figure out how we got here. All right guys, so first thing is I'm starting in the half guard. So the first thing that I have to do is I have to create space. So I have my arm under the head. I'm gonna be moving my head away from his body, putting my foot on the floor over here to help me push my body away so I can bring my hand on the inside. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a knee shield with my left knee to help block him from pressuring me down. So I'm gonna scoot my hips away from his body. I'm gonna bring my left knee in, I'm gonna put it right on the hip, right in the pocket. Now from here, I'm gonna use my right elbow to sit up. I'm gonna take my left arm, I'm gonna reach like I'm punching through, and I'm going to use my elbow to bring him down by capturing his head. Once I bring him down, I adjust my body, I push him away. Now the arm is right in position for me. So from here, I bring my arm that was over the head around, push the wrist up, lock it in. Now from here, I can finish my submission.